Let me share with you 5 free websites that will help you to find freelance jobs, not only focusing on Fiverr and Upwork. Most of freelancers, they think that the only way or the only platform that they can find a job is on Fiverr or Upwork. Not like that. There are so many free there are so many free platforms that can actually help you to find a job as a freelancer. Okay? Because many freelancers only know about Fiverr and Upwork, but there are many other platforms where businesses hire talented freelancers every blessed day. Okay? The more places you look for opportunities, the higher your chances of landing quality clients and growing your online income. So this video, I'll be showing you step by step on how you can find these platforms and how you can successfully sign up to this platform, upload your CVs, and start looking for jobs from these platforms totally free of charge, unlike Upwork that you need to subscribe and Fiverr that you need to pay before you can start seeing clients. Okay, so the first platform that can actually help you to find a job as a freelancer is called PeoplePerHour. This website is called PeoplePerHour. If you go to your web browser and search for PeoplePerHour, okay, this is the platform, peopleperhour.com. All right, this is the platform. This website will help you to find a client that can actually hire you for your services. Okay, it's a great platform for freelancers offering web design, writing, marketing, and more. You can find as many as you want from this particular platform. Depending on your skills, once you get to this website, you look for the services that you can offer. While after signing up, building your portfolio, you look for the services that you can offer, then start looking for jobs, okay, based on what you can offer. Here, there are AI services, technology and programming, writing and translation, design, digital marketing, video, photo and image, business, music, audio, marketing, branding, and sales, social media. These are the job categories that you can, or skill categories that you can find yourself that you can use to find a job. Okay, so if you come to this website, you only need to sign up, fill up your details, build your portfolio by adding your samples or your completed project and your project samples, and start applying for jobs. Okay, so the second one is called Toptal. If you go to your web browser and search for Toptal, toptal.com. Okay, this particular one is also one of the best platforms for experienced freelancers in software development, design, finance, and project management. It has a strict screening process but offers premium clients. Okay, this one is not just a regular platform for everyone. This one is a serious platform that before you can get a job here, you must be talented and you must be ready to offer an excellent services if you are being hired. Okay, so this one will give you a serious screening before you can start applying for jobs opportunities from these platforms. All right, so but it's very easy. There is nothing hard on it. You just need to sign up as an employee. Okay, you just need to sign up as a freelancer, then build your portfolio, set up your details and start looking for, then set up your details and get ready for the test. Once you are screened and you pass the test, then you can have the opportunity of looking for jobs on this platform. Okay, then the third one is called Guru. Okay, go to your web browser and search for guru.com. Okay, Guru platform. This platform helps you to create a profile, showcase your portfolio, and bid on projects in different categories. That is how you can land yourself a client on this platform. Okay, you will be able to create an account as a freelancer, then build your portfolio on it, which is your profile. Build your profile on it, then showcase your portfolio. That is the project you have done, the samples of your projects or the samples of your services, and bid on projects in different categories. Okay, so that is how you can get access to this one. All right, then the fourth one is called Contra. If you go to your web browser and search for contra.com, okay, contra.com is the name of the website, as you can see here. So this one also is a modern freelancing platform with no commission, okay, with no commission fees on your earnings. You don't need to pay commission on your earnings. It's a great for is a good opportunity for creative marketers and developers. Okay, so if you're a creative marketer and a developer, you can, if you're a developer or a marketer, you can actually find yourself a good paying jobs on this platform. Okay, if you are a creator, a good marketer, a developer, you can find a jobs on this platform. Even product manager or product designer, graphic designer, web developer, content creators, there are so many categories or so many skills that you can venture into this website depending on what you can offer. Remember, this one you don't need to pay for commission for your payout or whatever. This one is very, very easy and is free. Only need to sign up to this website, build your portfolio or build your profile, fill up your profile and showcase your product, your service samples, and start applying for jobs. Okay, it's very, very easy. Then the fifth one is called Simply Hired. Simply Hired. Okay, go to your web browser and search for simplyhired.com, the website. Okay, this is a remote freelance jobs platform that will give you. This is a platform that will allow a freelancer to find a job across different industries using simple keywords. Okay, it's a search remote platform that gives you that access to search for a job on any skills across all industries. For example, if you are in Nigeria, you just need to write the state where you are in Nigeria. As for example, you are in Lagos, you just type Lagos. Okay, so once you type Lagos here, then you come to this jobs title, skill, or company. You just type the name of the job that you are looking for. Okay, just type the name of the job and it will automatically bring the result of jobs that are in line with the keyword that you have already put. Okay, so if it's a job that you can offer, then you apply for it. But before you can do that, you first of all create an account from here and build your portfolio, then start applying. All right, then the sixth one is called LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn jobs. This one is also a very premium. This is also a premium platform that will help you to find a job. Okay, to help you to find a job it's like a social media platform. Okay, but it's not just a random social media platform. You only need to create an account on this platform, then upload your resume or create a profile, then and start looking for jobs. Okay, you start seeing companies that are hiring, then you can apply. All right, in this platform, many companies, most freelance and contract opportunities are in this platform. All right, you just need to keep your portfolio updated and connect with professionals. That's all, and you can find a job. The last one, which is number 7, is called Facebook online community. Facebook online community. Okay, from this place now, you can go to your Facebook account, then you, under the search icon or the search bar, you search for under group. Okay, you navigate to groups. So under the groups, you can look for you can search for a profession that you belong, like the services that you can offer. For example, I'm a web designer. I will just go to group. Okay, under group, then I will search web design forum or web designers. Once you search that, there are so many groups, okay, related to that skill. Okay, under that you will see jobs, web design jobs, or website jobs, or web development jobs. Then you join those groups. If you join those groups, you can also find web designers in Nigeria, web designers in Ghana. Then you join the groups. If you join the groups and you keep on visiting the groups, one day you will see maybe someone will just come there and type, I'm looking for a web designer. for social project, then you can apply or DM the person. All right. So by joining niche specific Facebook groups and online communities where business owners regularly look for freelancers, you can land yourself a high paying job. All right, if you follow this method. All right, then the last thing that I have to tell you is that you don't need to rely on just one platform. Okay, because this is a job hunting, you don't need to rely on just one platform. All right, so you need to create a strong portfolio, or you need to create a strong profile on 2 to 3 platforms and stay active on them consistently. All right, because more visibility, it means more opportunities. All right, so this is all you need to do, and these are the list of high-paying, or these are the list of platforms that you can find yourself high-paying jobs as a freelancer working from home wherever you are without spending much. All right, so if you find this video helpful, do it to subscribe to this channel. Drop your comment below. If you find it difficult to sign up on any of these platforms or to find a job on any of these, if there is anything that you need to know more about this video, you can drop it below the comment. All right, thank you for watching. See you in my next tutorial.